Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's full self-driving 11.4.7 software stack. If you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps a crazy YouTube algorithm, and we greatly appreciate it.
You know, there are lane lines here at some point.
It's easier to kind of see these ones from the air.
Yeah.
I cannot help you.
Oh no, you're fine. I don't need your help. One, I always make sure this guy's gonna pull far enough forward to actually turn. Alright. We're gonna let you go, sir, because I can't see around you. Okay, clear right, not clear left. Not clear right. Clear right. Here we go.
Floor it, why don't you? You know it's like 30, right?
People do not go 30 on this road.
Yeah, I get it.
Did you die? No, you're fine. Did your car get hurt? No, you're fine. Ooh, Mr. Old Truck squealed his tires. Good for him. Yeah, the wind is picking up. I bet you're going to have thunderstorms tonight.
That'd be cool. How does it do the left?
We're going to give it a left tap. Good job. We're going to get in the right turn, our right lane. And we're going to slow it down so that Andrew can keep up.
Oh, I got you.
Keep it up, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Got a tailwind now. This is nice.
Oh, okay, good. Then I'm going to go 45.
Got a tailwind now. This is nice.
Yeah, you don't joke around on Queensgate. That is not the. If you get your chance to go, you go.
Oh, getting out on that left there?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I get that.
There.
Ah, the delicate nag that we
This
all
one's
wish would go to hell.
just right.
The delicate nag we all wish would go to hell. I'm actually told that the nag came in place from NHTSA. So not Tesla. It's actually NHTSA.
Which makes sense.
For sure. Because I guess like when you think about it, so like other manufacturers have solved the hands-on problem with like capacitive steering and that kind of stuff. But because National Highway Traffic Safety Administration wanted Tesla to put some hands-on alerts about full self-driving, the only way they could do it was with the resistive steering.
Fair enough. I'm going to be honest. I've been with drivers that get distracted easily.
Oh, I'll be the first to admit I hate driving, suck at driving, don't like driving. Driving sucks. It's hard.
But my point is, I don't know why we're slowing down that much. My point is I've been with drivers that get distracted easily and then make me nervous being a passenger because I'm like, do you even know what's happening around you? Like, So in some regards, I don't mind the nag, but here's where I hate it. It's every like 2 or 3 minutes, and you're
5
like,
seconds. Every 5 seconds. It's not even 2 or 3 minutes. It's every
Yeah.
5 seconds.
and so I'm like, okay, that's kind of ridiculous.
Yeah. I think as the software improves and as Tesla gets more sure about their software, I think they probably will reduce the nag, but we're in that special period right now.
Doing good?
Yep.
I don't even like that musical. That's the funny thing.
Not my favorite.
I like about like that old. That's like the only portion I like.
It's probably because it's the most memorable.
Although Anne Hathaway was amazing in that movie, so I gotta give it to her.
That's true.
I'm gonna force it to stay in this lane because I'm gonna make it the turn where we want it to go.
No, you would have been fine for it to turn left here, right? This isn't what we talked about. We talked about it turning here perfectly.
I know, but Leslie is the next turn. That's what I was trying to tell you.
Oh.
So I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do, and you're gonna do what you need to do.
Gotcha.
And just let me do my thing.
So this is a manual left and a manual right?
Yep.
Okay. Bit of manual driving. Sorry about this, viewers.
Because the route is not what we want. Which is okay. Alright, here we go. We're gonna speed around. And then speed around. There we go. I do like how zippy this car is.
It's very quick.
And once it reroutes, I will re-engage it. Boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Here we go. Let's look at that. I will say, like, it's doing very well. So, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Yeah. Sorry, I just focused.
No worries. Let me know if you need me to slow down a little bit.
Yeah, you're fine. Tailwind.
I was gonna make my sailor voice, but I don't want to embarrass you on the camera.
No, it's not going to be embarrassing me. It'll be embarrassing yourself.
Oh, I don't get embarrassed that easily.
Oh, okay.
That's why I teach high school. Gotta have a level of not giving a shit.
That's all right. When your high schoolers figure out that you're filming YouTube videos, it'll be funny.
Right. Okay, don't dilly dally. There you go. I liked the aggressiveness on the turn rather than waiting for that car, because that's how I would have turned. I would have been like, oh, I can make this. Trees. I always liked the street for the tree. Okay, does it see this one? It sees the trash cans. It thinks it's a trash can.
I had to go over.
I know.
I assume there was a trash can on the road, though.
Well, there was a trash can, and then there was the little slow for children, and it thought the little slow for children guy was a trash can.
Nice.
good enough. That just means it won't hit me, which is nice.
Mhm.
I appreciate it.
Well, if you guys are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps the crazy YouTube algorithm. And we greatly appreciate it.
Speed hump. Good.
That's new.
That is new. That's what they want to put in our neighborhood.
Not horrible.
Louder speed hump.
Another one. Is it recognizing those?
Yep.
Oh, that's not bad.
Wee.
I'm asking this because in my off-camera drives, I haven't experienced those.
Here we go. The parking lot closes and gate is locked at sunset. I liked this little walking trail. It was a nice walking trail.
Yeah, that's cool.